Landshore Enterprises, LLC, with offices in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and headquartered in Venice, Florida, is a turnkey national design-build environmental company specializing in shoreline erosion control, repair and restoration challenges. Landshore uses non-structural, bioengineering, and biotechnical methods to fulfill the demands of our clients. A high-performance turf reinforcement mat is a mat made of a unique three-dimensional matrix of polypropylene material that has a high tensile strength for the purposes of ground stabilization. The mats are especially beneficial for sandy soils, UV-exposed sites, and where vegetation grows. Available in different sizes and variable thicknesses, TRMs are used to provide temporary cover for bare soil, long-term support for vegetation and permanent armoring against shear stress caused by flowing water. Typically used in conjunction with grass and other seed on regular slopes, TRMs can also be deployed on long, steep slopes or high-velocity channels rather than erosion control blankets. Pending the design, TRMs provide excellent drainage features. Most often, it is protected from the sun and the elements when vegetation and soil allow for adequate coverage. Turf reinforcement mats are often deployed as a green alternative to stone riprap, pavement, or other forms of hard armoring. Landshore Enterprises will make the right recommendation based on the design and needs of a project. Landshore Enterprises wishes to extend our warmest thanks to our clients. We deeply appreciate each customer. From our perspective, we feel our relationship is more of a special partnership than just a contract with a client. We work with each client in a way that is both communicative and constructive, and always appreciate comments and feedback to make us better at our job. We have the expertise, resources, technology, and collaborative insight to create designs and solutions that far exceed our clients' expectations. Due to our extensive experience in resolving various erosion problems around the nation, Landshore Enterprises is proud to guarantee complete satisfaction on all projects. Contact